vintage car and classic car rally त्यांचे असोसिएशन आसा along with them with Department of Transport हे आम्ही vintage and classic car rally organize केला एकूच कारणां लागून. We should know what is vintage. What is vintage? It is old. Old is gold म्हणलेले आसा. Unless old means experience. Unless you blend with the old and try to do new things, things can never be perfect. You should know what was the history. आमचे मुर्मुगांव तालुकान when the Portuguese surrendered, that deed of surrender or that document of surrender was signed here in our Vasco da Gama city. आमचो मुर्मुगांव port asa, Daboli. How many people know about this? Same way, what were the cars in the yesteryears? Kona KHABAR. You get to see it here. Look at the passion of these people, both old and young, the way they maintain it. Is it a joke to maintain a car for that matter? And these classic cars, particularly vintage cars, it's very, very difficult parts मेळना आणि ते इतले बरे भाशेन बरे प्रमाणान ते दवरता आणि असले रॅलीज आहेत ते सारखे फुल पॅशनेटली येता. त्यांची उर्बा इतली आसता खरें तोखणाय करपा सारकी. आणि हांव सदांच म्हणटा, लोक म्हणटा सगळे पणजे आसा, सगळे नॉर्था आसा, मुर्मुगांव आमचे खूब आसा म्हणून हांव दाखोवपाक सोदता. हांगा सगळे जाल्ले. We have to recreate that history here. So this is history in the making in a different way. With vintage cars, you also drive a message. Vintage म्हळ्यार old. Old is gold हांवें कितें म्हणलां. You need advice of elders if the young people are going to do well. And in so many countries you have young leaders. In some countries you have experienced leaders, or you may call them old. You need a blending of both, and that is what in a way it is showcasing here even during the vintage car rally.